In this video, we will learn how to fix an incorrectly tagged PDF. If your document is not tagged at all, you can watch our videos on manual tagging or automatic tagging to learn more about the process. We also recommend watching our validation video, since we will be working with the validation results when fixing our document. First, load PDFix and open your document. Locate the Tags panel and examine the current tags of your document. Next, make sure that the Object tool is selected since we will be working with manual tagging. Finally, open the Validation panel and run the validation process. Validation errors can reveal which tags are misplaced or missing and guide you in properly tagging your document. Let's examine the validation errors. Make sure to read the description of each error to understand it properly. Pressing the error message navigates you to the corresponding element in the document, which helps you locate the error. First, we can fix the content errors. Some of our document's contents are untagged, therefore, we need to create their tags or mark them as artifacts. Follow the process described in the manual tagging video to tag the header of the document and revalidate your document. We can also resolve content errors by using the Fix Error button. Simply select the single or multiple errors you want to fix. Press the button and choose the correct option from the dialog menu. In our case, we will mark these additional spaces as artifacts. Revalidate your document to see whether all content errors from page 1 were solved. Moving on to page 2, we can see that this entire paragraph is untagged. We can once again use the Fix Error button after selecting all lines to properly tag this text. Or we can locate the desired text position in the Tags panel and tag it manually. Revalidate your PDF to ensure that all content errors are fixed. Next, we will look at the headings error. Based on the description, we can see that the headings are used in the wrong order, and that heading 3 is used before heading 2. In the Tags panel, we can also see that the first heading is currently tagged as text. Double-click on the text tag and re-tag it to H1. Next, the heading currently tagged as H1 should be tagged as H2 instead. Repeat the previous process to fix the tag. Finally, revalidate your PDF to ensure that the heading error has disappeared. We can now look at the remaining errors concerning lists. When examining the Tags panel, we can see that this entire list is split between a list and a paragraph. Based on the validation errors, we can also see some additional issues in the subtags of the list. We could fix this list step by step, however, with so many issues present, it is easier to delete all of the problematic tags and manually tag the entire object. At last, go through the complete tags of the document to ensure that the current reading order is correct. For example, we can see that this paragraph is in the wrong order, and rearrange it in the tag tree. Take special care in examining the lists to ensure that they have the correct structure. As we can see, this list is not properly separated into sublists. First, delete the incorrect tags of the sublists. Next, unpack the tags of the first line and, once inside, manually tag the following sublist as a list. If the newly generated tag is not placed in the body of the first line, drag and drop it to its proper position in the tag tree. Repeat the same process with the rest of the sublists. Finally, we can see that all of the tags in our document are correct and that the validation does not show any additional errors. If you need help with your incorrectly tagged tables, make sure to watch our video concerning tag errors when working with tables.